In exercise 10.2, question number 11, we have to prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. For this, here I have drawn a figure, a circle, and a parallelogram ABCD circumscribing circle. That means it is touching circle from all its four sides, and the point of contacts are P, Q, R, and S. In this question, figure is not given, so the leveling you can do according to your choice. You can take any leveling. So we have to prove that this ABCD, which we have considered as a parallelogram, is a rhombus. So to prove that this ABCD is a rhombus, it will be sufficient to prove that all four sides are equal. But since in question we are given that it is a parallelogram, that means in a parallelogram, since we know that opposite sides are equal, so AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Let this be relation 1. Now, since these points A, B, C, D are acting as the external points outside the circle, and these all are the tangents drawn from the external point, so we know that dr equal to ds, cr equal to cq, ap is equal to as, and bp is equal to bq. All these because tangents drawn from external point are equal. Now let us add all these four. By adding, we get dr plus cr plus ap plus bp is equal to ds plus cq plus as plus bq. Now here dr plus cr becomes dc plus ap plus bp becomes ab is equal to ds plus as becomes ad plus bq plus cq becomes bc. Now since here ab is equal to dc and ad is equal to bc, by equation number 1, that implies in place of DC we can write AB, so twice AB is equal to, in place of AD we can write BC, twice BC. That means if we cancel 2 from both sides, we get AB is equal to BC. Let this be relation 2. Now in relation 1 we are saying that AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. That means opposite sides are equal. And in second we are saying that AB equal to BC. That means AB equal to BC, so adjacent sides are also equal. So if we combine equation 1 and 2, we get all the four sides equal. So by 1 and 2, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Therefore, ABCD, which was given a parallelogram, is a rhombus, as proved.